And as you can see, this is a four-sided ruler. This one is actually very practical because it can lock onto any of the four corners, which allows us to easily take measurements and angles and then transfer them onto any material we're working with. And as some of you know, I work a lot with wooden pallets, so this will be perfect for working with and transferring angles onto those wooden pallets. Looking at it more closely, you can see that we have four sides and four knobs, and each of them can be adjusted independently. You can notice that each side has a ruler with centimeters and inches, and you'll see that at the end there's a line, a black line, that you can adjust and position according to the measurement you're looking for. So it can be very precise. The back here is quite smooth, and as you can see, there are only the black knobs visible on each side, and you can easily slide them to move them, just as shown here. Very good. So, to show you how it works, I'm going to take the angle-izer and place it on the wood here. And my goal is to take the exact angle I need in order to transfer it onto another piece of wood. When you have the matching angle, you just need to tighten the different knobs, and then you can transfer everything onto the piece of wood you need to cut. Of course, here, as you already know, I only use pallets for this process. Then, once everything is clearly marked, you can go to your miter saw or your jigsaw to start cutting. That's all from me today. It was a pleasure to introduce this product, this tool, to you, and note that you can also hang it up and fold it so that it's compact, as you see here. And as always, very practical for you at home.